now for September 18, 2024. So I'm doing this business again. Printing a lot right now. It's been a lot of prints that need to be done. But that's it. Still profitable, still good profit. Like 250 pesos for a day of work. Not even a day, it's just a few seconds of work. It's not so bad. So, I'm just gonna continue doing this. I'm gonna separate the pages, fold them to different. It's continuous page, correct continuous pages. So yeah, it's been quite a good day. We had a discussion in physics, and a bit of discussion in computer lab, an activity, a quiz actually. It was quite good. I did my push-ups already, doing this journal, with my girl. It's been quite a good day, So happy life. So